The baby can be delivered in three ways in breech delivery. First is the spontaneous, which usually occurs in grand manticora where the baby is small. The second is breech extraction, which is classically seen in second baby of the twins. And the third is assisted breech, in which we actively intervene and deliver the baby. So we have to do lots of maneuver to deliver the baby. We have maneuvers for delivering the baby's limbs, pinards. We have three maneuvers to deliver the baby's shoulders, upper limbs, classical, then your lobsets and the nuchal. We have a maneuver to deliver the nuchal arm. For delivering the head of the baby, we have Marshall's middle reach and the pinard as well, band Marshall.
And Piper's forceps.
So first, I'm going to describe the pinard maneuver to deliver the baby's limbs. In this, we go along the inner and medial aspect of the thigh of the baby till the time we reach the popliteal fossa. There we press it and abduct it so the limb of the baby falls. Then we hold on to it and deliver the limb. By the time the second limb usually delivers, but if it doesn't, then again we do the same thing on the another limb. We go medially and on medial and inner aspect of the thigh, press into the popliteal fossa, flex and abduct the limb. When the ankle falls, we catch hold onto it and deliver. Do when the hip is delivered and the hooks are not put and the lower limbs are not. Now we have maneuver to deliver the arms of the baby. For this, we let the baby hang by its waist and we see the position of the two scapulae. If they are winged, that means the arms are extended, and if they are parallel, then it indicates that the arms are well flexed. So when the arms are extended, we need to intervene and deliver the arm by doing the classical method, the lobset, or if it is nuchal arm, then we will do another maneuver. In classical, we go along the outer and posterior aspect of the limbs of the baby. We catch hold onto the arm of the baby and wipe it. अब इसको वैसे वाला दिखाना इधर से. We cover the anterior limb of the baby with our hand and we deliver it by flexing and wiping over it on the baby feet. And the same thing we do on the another side. That means we go posteriorly and on posterior outer aspect of the arm, cover the entire hand limb of the baby, we flex it and wipe it over the face of the baby and deliver the arm. In another method, in lobsets maneuver, when the arms are extended to the baby, again we let the baby hang by its waist till the time we are sure about the attitude of the arms. And to deliver this, we catch hold on the baby in femoro-pelvic grip, and our thumbs should lie parallel to the spinal cord, vertebral cord. And the basic concept of this doing this maneuver is that the anterior wall of the maternal pelvis is deficient because the sacral curve is lower than the pubic symphysis, lower border of the pubic symphysis. So in this, we catch hold onto the baby by femoro-pelvic grip, keeping our thumbs parallel to the spine, and we give a screwing movement to the baby to bring the posterior shoulder anteriorly, below pubic symphysis. In this, generally the shoulder, since the anterior wall is deficient, this shoulder will be delivered. But if it doesn't, then we keep moving the baby in alternate directions till the time, with giving traction till the time the shoulder is delivered. Okay. Deliver the shoulder. Third possibility is of nuchal arm, in which the baby's hand is extended at the shoulder, flexed at the elbow, but behind his skull, means towards the occipital region. So in this, we go into the pelvis and look for the direction of the thumb, and in which direction the thumb is pointing, we again यहाँ पे लवसेट की तरह ही पकड़ते हैं ना इसको. We'll hold the baby with femoropelvic grip and we'll move the baby in the direction opposite to the pointing direction of thumb.
नहीं.
In the direction.
In the direction of
in
the
the
thumb.
direction of the thumb. And with this, the nuchal arm will be released and will be delivered. Okay. Now the maneuvers for head. For delivering the head of a breech baby, we have two maneuvers. First is the Marshall Smelly Wheel, and the second one is Burn Marshall. In Burn Marshall, when we see that baby is hanging by its waist and neck of the baby is visible, we ask our assistant to grip suprapubic pressure. We hold the baby's ankle by our one hand, keeping one finger in between the two legs, and our another hand supports the perineum to wipe the baby's face and to give it space. We give the downward traction and then we rotate the baby in arcing manner towards the maternal abdomen, and then we'll bring it back to deliver the occiput of the baby. The second maneuver is Marshall Smelly Wheel, shoulder traction, malar traction. In this also the same prerequisites are there, that the baby's nape of the neck should be visible, baby should hang by its waist. So in this we keep the baby on our left hand. The baby's weight lies on our left hand, and our two fingers goes and support the hook onto the malar prominences of the baby's face. With our another hand, we keep these two fingers on the acromion of the shoulders of the baby, and with the middle finger we give traction on the occiput of this baby, and with malar traction and shoulder traction, we cause traction of the baby's head, and then the baby is released.
Piper's forceps.
And the third is Piper's forceps, in which we apply the Piper's forceps on the parietal bones of the fetal skull if the baby is below station 2.
+2.
Yes.
First left is applied.
The left is applied and then the right.